Welcome to Crypto Tech Views. Every day we are reviewing Bitcoin price in multiple time frames and in multiple trading systems. We will also make an educated price prediction of the Bitcoin price for the next day after analyzing the global markets data and Bitcoin options open interest data. Let us begin the video for today. When we were reviewing the Bitcoin in the video yesterday, it was trading around this particular level. Now, for we were telling that it is going to trade around 39,000 to 40,000, and that's exactly what happened. It even though it breached couple of times above 40,000, but 40,000 still acted as a little bit of a resistance, and it's unable to cross above this previous small swing high. So, at the moment, along with the global markets, Bitcoin is also trading as little slightly in sideways. If we could see the Camarilla pivot point of view, so yesterday it tried to make an attempt to cross above this pivot point of this week. This is the pivot point for this week. It's unable to unable to cross cross pivot points, and it's now trading with a slightly with the sentiment of being in the sideways. So if we could see the Fibonacci retracement point of view, so it was when we were recording the video, it was trading around this level. So the trading range is slightly shifted between this 50% retracement level to 61.8% retracement level. So I'm expecting this to continue for tomorrow as well. And as long as it is not able to break above this particular level, it will not be able to rally further. So it has to hold at least this 39,000 zone for not being not being sold out because of some global market pressure. If it is not able to sustain this 9,000, there may be sell off coming. But for tomorrow, doesn't look like it may go in such hurry to do the downwards. So it may eventually trade in the same zone even for the next 24 hours. I will also explain the options open interest data in couple of minutes. So if you could see the Fibonacci series EMA ribbon point of view, so it is trying to it's once again took a resistance around 89 EMA. Last time it took a resistance around 89 EMA. Again, same thing happened. One, two, three attempts were made, and three times it touched this 89 EMA. It's unable to cross. So, and it's trading well below all these EMA. These EMAs are like starting from 8, 13, 21, 35. 35, yeah, and it's going to it's going up till 233. So this is 55, 89, 133 to 144, 233. So these are all Fibonacci series EMA ribbon. So but stochastic is looking like it reached up to this level. It may fall down, but this fall down should not crack something like this actually, and doesn't look like it may crack them something like this drastically because of the options open interest data that we will see shortly. Now if we could see the anchored VWAP indicator, so what it is showing is that this is a previous swing lows anchored VWAP, and this is previous swing highs anchored VWAP. So this is the VWAP line, and these two are the two standard deviation from the VWAP. So as I have been telling repeatedly for the last few videos, as long as it's able to cross above this VWAP, this first VWAP it has to cross, and it has to consolidate a bit, and then make an attempt to cross above this one, and should be able to cross above this. If it is able to cross above this one and can sustain a bit, then we can expect a rally. Till this is not happening, no, we will not be able to expect any kind of a rally, because these two VWAP should be crossed. See how many times it acted as a serious strong resistance. One, two, when it was coming down, and it was acting as a this VWAP was acting as a support, and tried an attempt to cross above this one. It's unable to do so. And when it fell below, it again acted as a resistance, and again here one more resistance. Now it's again one more. So even if the prices are going around here, it has to take out this particular VWAP with a strong volume candle. So the volume should be something like this, a bigger volume with a longer candle. Yes, then it is possible that it may sustain this VWAP. Otherwise, it can again go ahead and then fall down from this, VWAP. That's what this data suggests. And if we could see the simple trend lines and then the support bands, so this particular trend line is holding really strong, but at the same time at the upper side, there is a small trend line going here on the upper side, and looks like this trend line is unable to cross. We thought that it may eventually cross. If it is crossing it, it can certainly create a kind of a positive sentiment for Bitcoin, but that doesn't look like the case for now. So Bitcoin may look for a long consolidation for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, till this weekend is over or till the Monday is coming. Next Monday market opens. Looks like that the market may continue around the same level. Now it may not make a huge move either of the sides. Yeah, we'll review that tomorrow anyhow and then confirm this hypothesis. So if we could see this weekly chart, what we are seeing is that this is the fifth consecutive candle. Yesterday it was looking like a red. Now it is showing a slight green. But nevertheless, this RSI is trading well below 50, and ADX is trading below the signal line. This signifies that the sideways move in the Bitcoin to continue in the weekly time frame. So, since this is going like this, see the last week and last to last week also, it's not going anywhere. It's not making any huge moves, something like this or something like this. It's just staying around where it is at the moment. So it may eventually continue to continue to go sideways. Either of these sides are broken. Either this it has to come out of this trend line. This looks like a very strong trend line. I'm expecting a strong support to be coming in if the Bitcoin prices goes until this trend line. But for the upside, it has to take out this particular falling channel. Only then it can go rally further. If you could see the global markets, this is the global markets. This is first is the US 30, second is S&P 500. This is the Nasdaq. So if you could see, we can clearly see that in the day chart, it's trying to third consecutive day, it's trying to put a green candle. And good thing is yesterday Nasdaq, right from last 4 hours, it closed very strong. This is kind of a very slight positive sentiment. But as long as see this death crossover has already happened in a day time frame for all US 30, US 500, and then Nasdaq. So as long as this death cross is just maintaining as such, technically it may not be possible to move harder on the on the upside. So the rally may not be happening strongly. So this also may eventually start trading on the sideways for now. And if we could see the Bitcoin options open interest data for 30th April, and now we could clearly see that the 40,000 and in fact 39,000 is going to be a very strong support, and 41,000 is a very strong resistance. But the Bitcoin, looks like a pretty decent amount of 40,000 put options have been written. So Bitcoin is trading at the moment around 39,600. So maybe it can go around, go slightly, for 400 points for today, and then trade little above 40,000, or go around this 40,000 for around this 40,000 for next 24 hours. That's all for the video today. Thanks all for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.